fucking get it.
What's up, guys? Slaney HD here. So as promised, I'm gonna go ahead and do a light review and give you guys a look inside the case after I have finished installing the H100i GTX Corsair liquid water cooler, CPU water cooler. So I got it installed last night. Didn't really have any problems. Taking the H212 Evo off wasn't even that bad. The only slight issues I had was getting the old thermal paste off, but with a little bit of rubbing alcohol and just being very careful, I managed to get all that off. So with that said, I'm going to talk a little bit about the cooler. I have my i5 4690K overclocked to 4.4 gigahertz. And when I had it overclocked that high, it was getting pretty hot. Not really dangerously hot, but enough that I was uncomfortable. It was getting around 75 degrees Celsius under full load, which is safe, they say, but I wasn't comfortable with it. So I wanted something that would keep it lower. So I did some stress tests, which I'll make some videos about showing. And under full load now, my CPU under full load is not even passing 60. It's staying around 54. Idle, I'm sitting at about 25. So great improvement. With that said, let me give you guys a look inside the case so you guys can see the progress we've made. Come a long way since the beginning of this build. You guys who have been following along since beginning, you saw the new case, then we upgraded to an SLI. So it's been a long way coming. And I'm very, very happy with the results. So I'm going to give you guys a look inside. And we'll also just talk about, some of the pros and some of the cons. Now I'm going to probably have to hold the camera, and I will as still as I can. Let me just get it around here. Alright, so there's the Corsair H100i GTX. There's the radiator and the fans installed up there. Looks pretty awesome. I don't have my, as you can see, I need to buy a USB splitter because I ran out of slots. So I had to unplug my NZXT Hue. But not a big deal. I'm very happy with the way it looks. My only complaint, and you can barely see it, but I don't like this wire here. So I'm going to try to find a way to hide it. And then there's another wire down there. I'm not too keen on that. Other than that, performance-wise, very happy with it. I think it looks great. I like the way it looks a lot better than the H212 Evo, and it really opens up the case. So there you guys go. There's my little SSD. Speaking of which, the next thing I upgrade, probably going to put another Samsung Evo 500 gig in there. That'll probably be my next upgrade. But yeah, so there you guys go. I'll give you another close-up of everything. And there it goes up there. And there's a radiator. And your fans. And I have it set up to pull the air in. From what I read, that's your best option. I'm going to experiment with push-pull or just push. And we'll see where we go from that. We'll see what we get from that, excuse me. So, yeah, guys, that's about it. Like I said, the performance is great. I'm even going to push my CPU a little bit further now that I have these good temps I'm getting. I feel like I can overclock it even more. So I'll have some videos of that for you guys. And if you guys have any requests of anything you want me to test out, try, just leave them in the comments section. I'm pretty much open to anything. I'm not going to destroy my computer, hopefully. But, yeah, just let me know, guys. So, as always, thank you so much for watching. The channel has been growing a lot lately, and I really appreciate that. I appreciate all the comments, all the subscribers. As it continues to grow, I've got a extra spare Grand Theft Auto CD key because GameStop screwed me over. So, I'm going to do a little giveaway at some point, giving that away. So, stick around for that. Alright, guys. Take care.